Welcome to Sun-Kissed Villa, a beachfront vacation home, located in the gated community of Bengal Bay, on Jamaica's northern coast. Sited on a half-acre parcel, Sun-Kissed Villa is the quintessential Jamaican beach villa. With 6 bedrooms, 5 full bathrooms and a powder room, this 5,700 square foot villa has a single-story floor plan where the air-conditioned bedrooms frame an impressive swimming pool. You also have direct access to the beach and turquoise Caribbean Sea. The sea here is perfect for water sports like snorkeling, kayaking, jet skiing and swimming. Features like the games room, expansive patio for dining and relaxation, with bar and spacious pool deck overlooking the beach, make for the perfect space for family games and intimate entertaining. Sun-Kissed Villa is a vacation home worth its weight in gold. The investment is justified by its phenomenal rental history. The asking price for this property is $5,495,000 US. Don't miss this unique opportunity. Call the number displayed throughout this video to make an appointment. Also, remember to subscribe, click the notification bell, and share these properties with family and friends.